This literally is your battle map. When you go to the balcony, you should see the landscape like this in front of you. You should see 5 layers of chessboards, each with different games going on at the same time, which you, as the strategist or the CEO, are playing yourself. You're literally personally in charge of. 5 chess games at the same time. With every layer, you keep asking yourself the same question. Who are you? Who's your enemy? Where are you going to? And so forth. And in the kingdom layer, who are you? Okay? Well, the 3 great commandments of the Bible, okay? That's basically who you are in the kingdom layer. On the kingdom layer chessboard, you are a soldier for the Great Commission. You are a creature in charge of the dominion mandate, be fruitful and multiply. And you are a servant designed to love God with all your heart, soul, strength, and mind, and love your neighbor. The Bible says, especially the last one, is the greatest commandment of all. The dominion mandate, the middle one, is the first commandment of all, right? Be fruitful and multiply. And the Great Commission is the last words of Jesus Christ. In the kingdom layer, not in the industry layer or the strategic group layer, in the kingdom layer, this is who we are. Basically, the army fighting to fulfill the Great Commission, that's kingdom building, kingdom value. Okay? Healthy revenue, be fruitful and multiply, that's healthy revenue. Okay? And love God and love your neighbor, love man, that is social value. There you have it. That is the triple bottom line. Okay? That's who you are. Then who's the enemy? The devil. Only one. He is the main one. Yes. Preventing the spread of the gospel, stopping Christ's work of redemption, and anybody who's sabotaging the dominion mandate, right? Preventing man and creation from being fruitful and multiplying, destroying creation, and then, of course, destroying our love or our capability to love God and love man. If the devil can achieve these 3 things, his work is done.